I've heard her a couple of times. Her name is Jazz Elise, which is really not her name, but so she called herself now, Jazz Elise. So go on. Great to meet you. Orlando is also here, and he's, I think Orlando is the resident guitarist for Smile Jamaica. I'm there every week. Where did it start? Church?
Yes. Yeah, man. Grew up in church, singing on the choir, in the congregation.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So when did you feel, when did you think, when did you know that you wanted to do this? And a double-barrel question, that you had the ability to entertain us.
Wow. Well, boy, you know, I would say like a year and a half ago is when I really decided to, Jazz, you can do this, you know, just go after it, take it serious. It's not just a hobby, it's not just your passion, but it can be something you take serious, just like any other job out there. And since then, I've been recording in the studio and just put out my first song 5 months ago, and then dropped For You right after that. Just dropped the other day.
Yeah. When we were walking in this morning, I said, describe your style, and you told me
oh
everything.
God, oh
God. You said this, describe your style. If someone just hear about you, didn't see you perform, and said, what you do, describe your style.
I would have said Jazz Elise is a girl where she sing her heart out, she's soulful. Obviously, I'm born in Jamaica, so the reggae, the dancehall influence is in the music, because that's where you live, you know, that's what we see around us, so that is in the music. But she going to sing her heart out and give some soul, and then put a little DJ in there, you know.
Who you like locally and who you like internationally?
I'm like everybody. There's a lot from, oh my God, we have time for list them.
Yeah,
we know we love Bob Marley, I love Marcia Griffiths, Chronix, Taurus Riley, Jesus. Big up the protege them, every female artist where I go right now. Internationally we know Beyonce, Rihanna, Whitney Houston, Celine Dion. All of them.
If I ask a question and say if you were like any one of those, which one did I choose? Even though you're not like them. But if you were like any one of those, who would you pick?
Oh my gosh, I would say the talent, the work ethic of Beyonce and Rihanna with their reach and their impact, because they have a lot and influence, because for me that's what it's all about: impact, talent, work ethic and influence.
If you never did this, what would you be doing?
Psychology.
Psychology? Why? Because I
don't even believe Almanda. But they are few Almanda.
I used to coach Al, by the way. He actually one man in Cup and Olivia Sheila at St. George's College. So I take it as a talent. But it doesn't make sense.
A good youth, man.
Yeah, so this is it. This is what you want to do. It's a tough business. Some people say male dominated business. You say, of course, like, yeah.
Like, the truth is,
male dominated to the point that you think the females get a little fight?
Listen, I don't know who fighting who, but I just know that most fields in Jamaica, in the world, it's male dominated just by nature of the society, you know, it's patriarchal. So a lot of what you see is man run things, male producers, male this, and the females are coming up, and we just want to do what we want to do, just like anybody else.
And finally from me, did you give yourself a time and say, yeah, I want to do this, but if it don't happen in 5, 10, 15 years, I'm done, or I want to do this?
I want to do it. I love singing. I love reaching people with my art, because I love art, you know. It's not just about singing. For me, it's art as a whole, dance, acting, performance. I love it. And I'm going to do it as long as the Almighty allow me to do it, you know, as long as I have breath.
I've been around music and I collect records and all kinds of stuff. I like you.
Nice.
I like what I hear.
Thank
Good luck.
you.
Here's Delia. We're going to say goodbye. I'll be here tomorrow with Sim. We start at 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a brilliant day today. And, you know, be good to someone. And
stadium, reggae.
Yeah, 5 o'clock the first game, 7 o'clock Reggae Girls against Chile. Almando, the big time guitarist, and Jazz Elise. God bless.
Have you seen this one? Yeah. I was born and grown in a Kingston city. I said with pride if you ask me when I live, No, I don't care what they say. Yeah, we stress, but we bless anyway. So slippers on my feet, no heels today. Taking a break for sure. Sister, she needs some time away from grey clouds and rocky roads. Oh no, no. So now I see possibility. Come on, be right, I saw beside me. Yeah, you and me, this a destiny for you. I will never, never stray for you. I will never go away for you. This love is here to stay, yeah, for you. I will do my very best for you. The words I never could express for you. I love you. Yeah, so we'll work hard and we'll play hard. After we work in this 9 to 5, we still feel a vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. So I never, never, never gonna leave. My heart and soul is in these streets, black, green, and gold, and my blood not gone away. All when me dead and bury me not gone away. For you, I will never, never stray for you. I will never go away for you. This love is here to stay. For you, I will do my very best for you. The words I never could express for you. I love you. So I tell you one, and I say, oh, 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 oh. I wanna know. Oh no. For you, I will never, never stray for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. This love is here to stay, and it's not gonna away to stay, and it's never gonna away. Yeah, just at least never gonna away. To stay, yeah. Bum bum, no, it's another one. No apologies, just Elise on the microphone. Boom bum bum, no Skylar our king, yeah. When Jazz is calling for you, Jazz is calling for you, Jazz is calling for you. Yeah, so for you, I will never, never stray for you. I will never go away for you. This love is here to stay.